Public property. A house belongs to a family, it is private property. A shop belongs to its owner, it is his her property. Anything that belongs to a person or a few people, it is private property. But markets, roads, parks, museum, zoos, or railway stations do not belong to one or two people. Everyone can use them. Things that belong to everyone are called public property. The lawns, corridors, lifts, and parking lot in a block of flats belong to all the people living in the flats. You can call them the common property of these people. In the same way, the swimming pool or sports gear in a club belong to all its members. They are common property. Caring for public property. Just as we look after own things, we must look after the things that belong to everyday. Streets. The lights along streets and roads are meant to help everyone. Some people think it is fun to break them, but it is not fun to walk or drive down unlit street. Unlit street cause accidents. They also help thieves hide and get away. Throwing garbage on the streets and pavements is not a good thing. It makes the streets ugly and dirty. Remember also that garbage spread diseases. Some streets and roads are lined with trees. Before breaking plants or plucking flowers, remember that someone has worked hard to plant them. Remember also that trees make a place look nice, give us a shade, give us shade in summer, hold soil in place, and keep the air clean. And buses. Trains and buses. Trains, railway stations, and bus stands belong to everybody. We should try to keep them clean. Some people steal taps and bulbs from trains. When a tap is broken, water gets waste and the passengers suffer. They also suffer if there are no bulbs to light up the coaches. Tearing the seat covers of seats in buses and trains is wrong. It is also wrong to scribble and paste notices in buses and railway coaches. Libraries. Some people tear pages out of library books. This is a terrible thing to do. Imagine how would you would feel if you borrowed a book and found pages missing. Some people do not return library books. The library has to spend money buying those books again. Besides, some books are rare. It is not easy to buy such books again. Who maintains public property? To maintain something means to keep it going and to repair it is something goes wrong. In our country, the government builds roads, railways, bridges, railway stations, airports, post offices, and so on. It also maintains them. It builds, runs, and maintains some hospitals and schools too. These are called government hospitals and schools. It runs and maintains trains and buses. It builds power plants to make electricity, to maintain the power plants and the lines that carry electricity from the plants to our home. Where does the government get the money to do all this? It gets it from the people of the country. The money that the people pay the government is called tax. The government uses this money to look after the needs of the people. So you see, public property is built and maintained with everybody's money. All the more reason why we should all look after public property.